Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the hair clippers, and we'll also be doing testing it out, and then we'll do a full review of the hair clippers. So we just got this. It's brand new, and I don't think there's that many reviews on it, so we're just going to unbox it. Okay, so first we're going to leave the box. One thing I like about the box, it's has nice design. It's pretty tight. It has all the information in the back. It also has pictures with information indicating what each component does and more information. So we're just going to unbox it. Try to keep this centered. So first thing we see is a comb. This looks like a kind of like a cape, drape, whatever you want to call it, for to keep all the hair off. Here we have a hair clipper for men, before haircut, during haircut, after haircut, charging, common problems, loud noise, can't charge, the guide comb is broken. Get your 1-year warranty for free now. It has a QR code. Here we have the instruction manual, professional hair clippers, user manual. And so you get a user manual, precaution for use, instructions. It's all in English. Page 4, fixed length function, use the rechargeable mode, assembly and disassembly of the clippers, and then it goes to another language, Dutch. Okay, so that's the user manual. Here we have the power cable to charge the clippers. We have a little bit of oil that's included. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different adapters. We have the hair clipper. This is pretty hefty. It has some weight to it. It has where you can hang. There's a charging port. Here's it says peel the tape and take it off the protective cover before switching it on. And so here you see the adjustment. Here we have and it's already been oiled. Let's take this off. And here we have a little brush to pretty much remove the hair from the end. But we'll take the tape off, and then we'll look at the hair clipper a little bit before actual test. Okay. It's going to take a while to get all this off. Okay. We'll just leave that for now. And so this is obviously to protect it from turning on during shipment. Let's take this off. You can hear it. And it's pretty loud. Now you can also see it's at 100. So turn it off, on. Turn it off. So we'll be reading the manual and then also testing the razor. And so see you in the next part where we actually test the razor, and then we'll do a review. So this is just a quick haircut, and then we'll do the review. Okay, so after testing the hair clipper, and my wife and I have been cutting each other's hair for pretty much 16 years. She's been cutting my hair. She cuts my son's hair. I cut her hair. We kind of figured out that's the best way to save some money a long time ago. And so one thing we figured out with this hair clipper is the smoothest haircut that we have experienced so far. The quality is phenomenal. It's nice and it has some weight to it. It runs smooth. It's not loud. It cuts smooth, literally like butter. You will not be disappointed if you get this. I would highly recommend, as if you're looking for a hair clipper, that you look at this pretty much hair clipper. It is truly phenomenal and it works extremely well. Very impressed, and hope you had the same experience. Please leave a comment if you buy it and you like the product, because I just can't see why not. And so thanks again for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Social media is down below in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.